Imagine this. You're sleeping peacefully, and your phone goes ding. You just made money without doing anything. Sounds fake, right? Yeah, I thought the same. See, most of us live like this. Work, get paid. Stop working. Money stops. It's like a tap. Turn it off, no water. That's the problem. You're not earning money. You're renting your time. And time? Only 24 hours. No upgrade available. But rich people play a different game. They don't just work for money. They make money work for them. Let's break it super simple. There are two types of things. Things that take your time, things that make you money. Second one is assets. For example, you invest money, it grows. You build a small business, it runs. You post videos, they earn later. You work once, but get paid again and again. Now, don't get excited too fast. This is not sit at home and become rich overnight. No, you still need effort. But here's the difference. You work once, not forever. Most people only do this. Work, earn, spend, repeat. Like a loop. They never build anything that pays later, so they stay stuck. The goal isn't work harder. It's build something that works without you. Because real freedom is not having money today, it's having money, even when you do nothing. So next time you earn money, ask yourself, will this pay me once or forever?